Join the community of more than 2 million Binomists who are investing online with Binomo. Start trading today with Binomo.
British Prime Minister Boris Johnson said that India came up with some impressive stuff to decarbonize its economy by 2030. He said that India's commitment towards handling the climate crisis is real. His statement comes days after world leaders reached a deal in Glasgow aimed at least to keep alive hopes of capping global warming at 1.5 degrees Celsius. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who attended the climate summit in Scotland, had laid out 5 commitments, including India achieving net zero emissions by 2070, reiterating that India is working very hard on tackling climate change related issues. The key commitments by India include net zero emissions by 2070, bringing non-fossil energy capacity to 500 gigawatts by 2030, bringing its economy's carbon intensity down to 45% by 2030, fulfilling 50% of its energy requirement through renewable energy by 2030, and reducing 1 billion tons of carbon emissions from the total projected emissions by 2030. India also advocated for a global solar power grid by giving out a call for one sun, one world, one grid. From coal and gas-fueled superpowers to oil producers and Pacific islands being swallowed by the rise in sea levels, 200 nations agreed on a deal to maintain a realistic chance of saving the world from catastrophic climate change at COP26. The aim set by conference host Britain was one that climate campaigners and vulnerable countries had found far too modest, namely to keep within reach the 2015 Paris Agreement's target to cap global warming at 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.